At Washington High School, every student's path is unique, different interests and goals, but all of them are built with purpose.
Our job is to help connect what they're learning to real life. When that connection happens, it changes everything for them.
One of the best things about being a student here is all the opportunities for me. I found my place doing FFA, 4-H, and taking classes through Vincennes University. I've been involved with farming for as long as I can remember, and being part of the ag program at school has helped me take my experience with the equipment and knowledge of crop production to the next level. My animal science class has given me the tools and knowledge to help expand my herd at home and has inspired me to want to work in the ag industry after I graduate.
We want our students to walk out of here ready for their next steps. Whatever that may be, college or careers, they'll be prepared.
I love attending Washington High School for the many opportunities that it gives me. I play multiple sports for the Hatchets, I'm involved in business club, and I was even nominated to be the senior class president. The staff here at Washington are amazing. My internship program teachers go above and beyond by helping me build professional connections that will help me after graduation. And thanks to the dual credit and advanced placement courses available to us, I'm graduating with over 30 college credits through Vincennes University. These classes have helped me prepare for college-level coursework and have saved me tens of thousands of dollars in student loans.
Different paths, different passions, one shared foundation. Made possible by Washington Community Schools.